Hey, it's Lady J and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be doing an unboxing video for Love Me Hair. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Alright, so right now I am about to put on the wig cap. I did flat twist my hair and slick down my edges, considering this is a headband wig. It's my first time having this before, so I hope everything is to my liking. Assume the headband part gonna be right there, but we gonna see. Alright, so as shown previously, it comes in this purple bag. Okay, it comes in a little net as well, extra protection. Shake it out a little bit, shake it out. Oh, she cute. Here's the headband right here. Okay, you got 1, 2, 3, looks like 4 combs in here. So it covers one front, back, and on each side. And then the back has the velcro. I guess it's supposed to be just a simple pop it on. We in here. Let's see. First comb, put that right there. Second comb on the side. Get the back, and then right side. Come on now. Oh yeah. There we go, right there. And then, okay, looks like that's pretty much it. Hold on. So, and then here is the look of the headband wig, and I could do just like this. This is the back looks like. About this little velcro flat back here. It's a genuine review. I don't know what to do with that little velcro flap in the back, but I mean, it don't really bother. Like, it's not snatching the hair. Well, at least the velcro part of it. The little access is cool. And you can't see it. Do it. Ooh, I like it. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. This could pass for my real hair. I think so. And then I can either leave it like this, or I can use one of the other headbands that was provided. Alright, thank you for watching. That was my review of the Love Me hair. Like deep wave, I believe this is what it was, color 1B. 14 inches, I believe, if I remember correctly, it was 14 inches. But if you like what you see, I'll show the link. But if you like what you see, please give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe if you aren't already. Turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time that I upload. And share it with other people, you know, who want to see, oh, well, you know, like, oh, I need a review before I purchase. They can review my video. So, yeah, I like it. Definitely like it. And that's how I go pop this on. You saw how quick that was. In real time, too. No edits. Come on now. I ain't gonna, I'm feeling like I'm running my hand through this. Ain't no tangles. It's just going through. I love it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. And as always, wear your crown proudly. Bye.